All right, we are Ohio bound. We just left the house and we're gonna go get. Just had to make sure the drone was in the back seat. We're gonna go get my drone repaired. So obviously it's not gonna be repaired today, but it's getting dropped off. So we're gonna head there. 3 hours. You ready? All right. Coolest thing in Ohio. Oh shit. Happy hooker. Oh shit. So we're still in Ohio. We're kind of almost there. We're actually getting close to Cedar Point. There's that fucking cooling tower that you always see going to Cedar Point from Michigan. If any of you guys have, I'm sure some of you have. But that's we're almost there. It's good old nice 20 mpg right now. Fantastic. So nice and cool. Chernobyl number 2. Nice. Just dropped the drone off and now we head home. Alright, so we're still in Ohio. I'm at a rest stop right now. I wanted to see if they had any snacks. Looks like we just got vending machine. They're just drinks. No bueno. I have a drink. Need something to... Oh. Shit. Alright. I'll leave them. Gonna be home in like 3 hours. Great.